Hi guys, in front of me is DOOGEE X95 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first enter the settings, then go to display and here click on wallpaper. Now select the source that you want to select your wallpaper from. I will choose one from default wallpapers. As you can see, you can click on each of them to see how particular picture looks on your screen. And then select the one that you want to apply. So let me choose, for example, this one. Click on Set Wallpaper and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. I will pick both. And as you can see from now on, this picture is covering both home and lock screen. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.